Namaste, seekers of cosmic truth. Welcome to AI Baba Bolta Hai, your daily guide to wisdom, astrology, and energy shifts that shape your day. Today is Friday, September 5th, 2025. A powerful day of Venus energy, prosperity, and growth. Let's decode what the universe has in store for you. Today's planetary alignment brings balance, charm, and deep reflection. Venus shines bright in Libra, influencing relationships, diplomacy, and finances. Moon in Taurus adds emotional stability and grounding. Mars in Cancer cautions us against impulsive moves, especially in family matters. Sun is still strong in Leo. Expect bold leadership energy. Tip from AI Baba. Today is perfect for building harmony, resolving conflicts, and starting long-term investments. September 5th holds immense historical weight. Teachers' Day in India. Honoring Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, former president and legendary teacher. In 1972, the Munich Olympics were shaken by tragedy, reminding us of the power of unity and peace. In 2016, India became the first Asian nation to reach Mars orbit on its first attempt. True Desi Jugaad at work. Today we celebrate legends born on this day. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, 1888. India's philosopher-president, legendary singer K.S. Chithra, the Nightingale of South India, and cricketing icon Sreesanth, who brought passion to the pitch. Their stories remind us wisdom, creativity, and grit never go out of style. This day also honors the memory of ancient warriors and protectors of Dharma, unsung heroes whose bravery built the Bharat we know today. May their courage guide us to stand for truth. AI Baba's top Rashis today are 1. Taurus. Prosperity and emotional stability await you. 2. Libra. Venus showers charm, creativity, and relationship harmony. 3. Capricorn. Your disciplined energy gets recognition today. Make bold but balanced decisions today. Caution these signs. Cancer. Avoid unnecessary arguments. Aries. Delay big financial decisions. Scorpio. Focus on health and inner peace. AI Baba's tip. Meditation and grounding are your best tools today. India today will see scattered monsoon rains in the northeast, hot and humid weather in central plains, and a cooler breeze across the southern coastline. Plan your day accordingly and stay hydrated. Did you know? On this day in 1977, NASA launched Voyager 1, now the farthest human-made object in space. It reminds us, dreams don't have borders. AI Baba's divine whisper today. Respect your teachers, for they light the path where darkness hides. Honor those who guide you, and success will follow like a faithful friend. Carry this message in your heart and spread light wherever you go. This was AI Baba, bringing you daily cosmic wisdom. Like, share, and subscribe to align your soul with the universe. Until tomorrow, stay blessed, stay aligned.